So, ito nga po guys, ito yung kailangan nating mga ingredients para makapagluto tayo ng nilagang baka. And mostly, this is just vegetables. Yung mga parang sangkap lamang. Of course, first of all, isang tali ng sitaw. You can mostly get this sa palengke or anywhere within your reach, of course, for 10 pesos only. And then, itong petchay po, make sure that it is fresh. And as well as, yung stalk po niya is mga ganitong kulay. And then, yung mga, hindi po nagadilaw-dilaw yung kanya mga leaves. Make sure it's green and fresh. You can only get isang tali for 10 pesos. As well as corn, of course. So, ito na po, na-prepare na po, prepare ko na po ang mga ingredients. Dito po ang petchay, nandito din ang corn, as well as mga samya like onion, and beef cubes, tsaka na rin ang sili, as well as sitaw. To start, how to cook nilagang baka. Must first boil. Palambutin muna po ang baka along kasama ng luya and paminta. Ayan na po. So, checking back dito sa nilagang baka, makikita natin na, okay, umuunti na yung water niya, hindi katulad ng kanina. It's because yung nilagang baka, in order na maging malambot yung nilagang baka, it needs to absorb water in order for it to be softened, yung kanyang meat. Kaya that's why, inilalambot natin siya kasi hindi nga naman natin talaga kayang kumain ng baka na matigas. Now, it is important to check it from time to time ang baka so that may iwasan natin ng pagkate. Ibig sabihin ng pagkate, you're running out of water na. If ever na hindi pa malambot ang ating baka and tapos parang kumakati na yung tubig, it's okay to put water again. In order to check kung malambot na ang karne natin, you can always get one piece from the nilalambot, put it in a plate, let it cool down, and then check even your pork to see if it's really malambot. Yung ating basehan kung malambot na nga ba ang karne is yung chewable, yung pwede na siya ma-chew. But you don't do that kasi nga it's really unhygienic. So you just need to press the pork down and then check it. Pwede na siya ma-slice or something, or just do it like this. I don't know. If na-notice nyo na hindi pa siya chewable, or maybe hindi pa siya gaano kalambot, you can put it back and then hintayin ulit na lumambot siya ulit. Tapos yan, tatakpan mo po muna natin. Hintayin kumulo. pagkakulo, i-add na ang sitaw.
Hindi.
Diba?
At yung sitaw, kasi continuous na lang yun. Tapos sitaw.
Okay. Add na ang sitaw.
Tapos, after 1 minute, sunod mo na naman.
Add na ang sitaw. And then wait for 1 minute bago ilagay ang pechay. And now, i-add na po natin ang pechay. After a few seconds, pwede na i-off ang heat and then transfer sa isang maayos na lalagyan. Ready to be served.